Hi, everybody. Welcome to University 101 Instructor Training Course Technologies, Digication. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the components of digitation, also identify how to use it, and the moments when the University 101 students will use the e-portfolio. First of all, digitation.com is a tool, technological tool for e-portfolios. And there is a set of uses for e-portfolios, but the purpose of this video is to focus on the University 101 e-portfolio, and it's applicable for University 301 e-portfolio as well. So for this, we are going to use arizona.digication.com. That is our landing page within the university domain. And in the university course, there will be specific moments where the e-portfolio is the focus. For example, the About Me page, University 101 assignments, such the Wonderosity project, also University 101 assignments, such a story of a lifelong learner, and for University 301, an update About Me page, the General Education Program learning outcomes related signature assignments, additional learning experiences, and the final project, lifelong learner journey map. And as an instructor, and for this the purpose of this training, the portfolio will focus on your About Me page, teaching philosophy, story of a lifelong learner, and university teaching artifacts. So you will be provided with a shell, so no worries about it. So far, you have to log in your digitation site. Remember, arizonadigitation.com. And you have this space. You have to log in with your University of Arizona institutional information. You click there and you log in without no problem. Then you have your e-portfolios. In this one, you're going to have the one you are going to be provided in the training, and it's the one you're going to keep for, I think, for the rest of your experience with us. So you can see my main one and a shell that I create for the purpose of this video. It is important to know that you can see all your students' e-portfolios links in terms of they have it activated. And you can see how much time they have worked on that, and if they had visited recently, etc. But so far, let's focus on building one e-portfolio. So come back here, and you're going to choose the shell that says University 101 for your case, and you can customize it later. This is the main page of mine, and as you notice, it depends on you, your personality, your likes, your identity, the colors, pictures you prefer, and the information you want to share as well. So we're going to start from 00. Let's go to the shell. In this shell, as you notice, there are several parts within the landing page. The first one is that you see plus buttons. Those plus buttons are for adding content. So adding extra content like files, pictures, videos, or actually embedding videos, because this one is not a Google Drive, so you have to use to link videos here. Also, you notice that there are some dark boxes in which you have some additional information, some prompts that you're going to consider in order to complete the assignment. So it is highly recommended that you start doing your script, your text, your content in a separate file, for example, a Google Doc, so that whenever you are copy and pasting, you're going to save your work. This is for adding text. When you click on that, notice that the prompt is raised, but the prompt keeps there in the bottom part. So you can start working on there, but as recommended, use an extra file just in case. You are going to click on the icon to edit, and the prompt is going to remain there. Also, for the images, if you click on the images, you're going to have several options: upload file, Google Drive, etc. So if you want to upload an image, file, document, sound, it is possible. And just make sure to have organized your files within your laptop or within your Google Drive, so that is going to be easier to embed or upload documents. You click on there, and the file you want, you can select it or drag in and drop it or copy and paste it. And for example, I complete a description, a short bio of Wilbur, and I look for a picture of him and I upload it. So it's as simple as creating a blog if you have been blogging in your life. If not, it's just a matter of follow some steps. So I just did it about me, and still is a little bit gray. So let's see what we can do. I can click on any of the documents, file sections I have here, and I can edit it. If I click in a little engine, you notice that we are going to have some module settings. So I can start playing with this. For example, in the module settings, I want to change the color, the gray colors and the white colors for something more like Wilbur. Let's see blue, and let's put the words in white. So like the University of Arizona colors, for example, but you can play with this. You can change the kind of letters, like the font. And just make sure when you finish, close the module settings without no problem. It's going to remain there. And also, if you click here, they say, okay, let's unlock the upper part, and you're going to change the name of your title, because it happens that everybody here is changed across the semester, along the semester, and then the students forget to update their name. It's easy. Just unlock the lock, change the information there, edit it as it was like a title or like the text box we edited in a moment ago. Do the modifications. There is no problem there. If you want to add some background information, you can use it, or keep it dark as that. Now you have to close it once you are done, so you don't have to edit it mistakenly. And after that, make sure, this is important, whenever you have post something or updated something, you have to publish it. So how is that? You go to the icon share and make sure that it has your name, that you have your link, and that you're gonna change the privacy settings. This is important because if the student doesn't make it public for the University of Arizona or for everybody, anybody can see it. So I put it public for the sake of this, but some students put it in private within University of Arizona, and it's totally fine. But keeping it just private doesn't work. So make it public is an option. You click there and make sure to save. Once you save it, you're going to click on publish this page. Once you publish, it means that everybody can see it. Let's go to publish pages. So there are several pages there, and if you want to save some time, because you have to do this every single time you post new content or you update new content, select all pages and click on publish. Once you have this green notification, your pages have been published, anybody with the link can see it. And it means that you can grade it in the case for your students. And you can come back if you have modified anything for minimal that it was. You have to click on this page, public pages, and we're going to go to the same spot. And you can see that all of them are published. And if I have updated something, I just have to click on publish again. Now, if you see, there is like a main menu here to the left. And in that, you can play with your account. You have notification. people, library courses, and e-portfolios, etc. Let's go to home. In home, you're going to have the landing page we have at the beginning of this video. And you notice that everything changed. It's not Jonathan anymore, it's Wilbur the Wildcat as a mock e-portfolio. And you can start working with that. You can see the number of views you have had. In this one, 0, because I had been the only one working on that. And the number of views I have in the main one, where I show my students how to publish pages, for example. And it's going to be something you will be needing for the future, helping your students help you. So, some recommendations when using Digication. Do not work directly with text boxes. Instead, on a separate document, use copy and paste your production. Also, posting content is different than publishing content. This has to be reiterated all the semester because the post content is automatically saved within your e-portfolio, but publishing it requires you to do it manually, clicking on the share button, for example. And finally, you don't need to be an expert using Digication. You can always ask for support. Same idea for our students. Ask your faculty lead for guidance and provide your students with your support as well. We can always learn on this. It's technology. We cannot expect that our students know how to use it, but we can help them to figure out how to use it. And that's all. Thank you so much for your attention.